In today's video, we are making the viral TikTok KFC Nashville hot chicken tenders, and damn it, we're gonna do it way better. Let's go. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of More Seasoning. I'm your host, Farnum, and today we have got what you call a hot slapper. And what exactly does that mean? Well, it means what we're cooking is spicy and it fucking slaps. And slaps means it's good. That's it. But before we get into that, make sure you scroll down. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Seriously, it helps the channel out more than you guys even know. Hit that like button and stay tuned because I'm giving away $100 cash. Somewhere in this video, I'll be saying a secret word, and all you have to do is comment that down below in order to win $100 cash. So on TikTok, it's going crazy. On YouTube, it's going crazy. People are buying it, they're eating it. It's the KFC Nashville hot chicken tenders. I've had Nashville hot chicken before. It's pretty spicy, it's pretty good. I got it from KFC a couple days ago. It's pretty whack. The crispy chicken was not crispy. It was pretty soggy. And honestly, the Nashville hot sauce itself didn't have that much flavor. So I recreated it. We're gonna do it at home. We're gonna do it better. It's gonna be crispy. It's gonna be crunchy. It's gonna be f***ing amazing. Watch B-roll. So the ingredients you're gonna need for the Nashville hot chicken tenders are boneless, skinless chicken tenderloin, buttermilk, brown sugar, flour, Louisiana hot sauce, garlic dill pickles, oil to fry, red chili flake, cayenne, garlic powder, smoked paprika, and ancho chili powder, or just chili powder. All right, just to be completely transparent with you guys before we get into the prep work, I'm not the hugest Nashville hot fan. I enjoy a little bit more flavor with the spice, so I am gonna make a couple different dipping sauces just in case you like the tenders and you don't wanna do the Nashville hot. But let's start off with our brine real quick. So it's gonna be 2 cups of buttermilk, a 1/4 cup of Louisiana hot sauce, give your garlic dill pickles a shake, and then we're gonna do a 1/4 cup of the pickle juice, a teaspoon of salt, a bunch of cracked black pepper, a teaspoon of cayenne, and a teaspoon of smoked paprika. And now we're gonna whisk. All right, and now we're gonna drop our chicken tenders in. Make sure you get them all in there and fully covered, fully submerged, fully coated. All right, I'm just gonna keep it real with you guys. These are gonna marinate for as long as it takes me to get them ready to go in the fryer, so probably about 20 minutes. Ideally, a few hours up to a day or overnight. Obviously, the more you let them marinate, the juicier and more tender the chicken will be. But if you got 10 minutes, 20 minutes, let them go. You're still gonna get a ton of flavor out of it. They're still gonna be bomb. So wrap it up, throw it in the fridge. All right, next we're gonna make our flour mixture. So it's gonna be 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and a ton of black cracked pepper. Before we whisk, if you guys get this reference, you're good in my book. And now we whisk. All right, now we're gonna make the Nashville hot mixture, and that is gonna consist of 2 tablespoons of cayenne, 4 tablespoons brown sugar, 1 tablespoon smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon ancho chili powder, 1/2 tablespoon of red chili flake, and now we mix. All right, it's my boy's first time on More Seasoning, and he's on the toilet right now, so just so you guys know. If you want it sweeter, add more brown sugar. If you want more heat, add more or less cayenne. Again, Nashville hot isn't exactly my favorite sauce to put on a chicken tender, and since we're gonna be making so many, now we're just gonna make a couple of my favorite sauces to put on chicken tenders real quick, just so you guys have the option. So, all right, so for the extra tenders, the first sauce we're gonna make is our hot honey Cholula fried chicken. So that's gonna be 3 tablespoons of Cholula sauce and 2 tablespoons of Mike's Hot Honey, and then you're gonna mix. I'm telling you, this slaps. If you have not seen my fried chicken sandwich recipe with this glaze on it, you are missing out because this shit is amazing. Next, we're gonna make our homemade hot honey mustard, and that's gonna look like 2 tablespoons of Duke's mayo, a tablespoon of hot honey, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a little shot of white distilled vinegar, a little pinch of salt, some cracked pepper, and mix. Give it a taste to make sure it doesn't suck. Ooh. All right, so here we are at the stove, and this is gonna be our setup. So we're gonna have our bowl of our chicken brine with all of the chicken tenders in it. Next to that, we've got our flour mixture. Next to that, we've got a deep saucepan with about 3 inches of canola oil in it, sitting at about 325 to 350. Next to that, we have a baking sheet with a rack on top to drain the chicken. And lastly, we have our Nashville hot seasoning. All right, so basically when your oil's ready, we're gonna grab a chicken tender out of here, we're gonna throw it in here, coat it, back into here, get the excess off, back into here for a double coat, put it right here. Once we get about 2 or 3 of them, we're gonna put them in at the same time. You don't wanna overcrowd, and also the more you put in there, the more that temperature is gonna drop. So that's why I say we wanna keep it at about 325. It's at 340. Just follow me, let's do it. All right, first, we're gonna go in. Hey, we're gonna shake off the extra. Then we're gonna slap them right on this side. Hit that with some flour. Pat it, make sure we got a nice coat, make sure everything's covered. Shake it off, back in. Whoa, back in, whoa. Make sure we shake that excess off, right there on the side again. Hit that with some more flour. Once it's fully coated, give it a little shake, and we're gonna put it on the side and do 2 more. Shake that excess off, right on the side. Right back in. On the side. So we're sitting at about 140 right now. We're gonna drop 3 tenders in. It's gonna make that temperature drop to about 325, which is right where we wanna be for 6 minutes. So let's get it. All right, now we're pulling these tenders out. Looking beautiful. Oh my God, come on. Literally the most fire chicken tenders you may have ever laid eyes on. All right, so we're gonna cook the rest of the tenders. As soon as we finish, I'll plug back in and I'll show you guys what we're gonna do with the Nashville hot sauce, and then we're taste testing. Let's get it. All right, so we got a bunch of tenders ready to go. Now we're just gonna do our Nashville hot. So we're just gonna take a nice big ladle of oil, and this is super hot, and we're just gonna drop it right in. Get a little half in there. Beautiful. Now we're just gonna whisk. And the smell coming out of this is insane, guys. Insane. And there you go. That is Nashville hot sauce. You guys ready to plate and taste test? Because it's time. Let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are, my favorite part of the show. This is the taste test, and we're gonna bring in our celebrity taste tester. You've seen him here before. Since everybody else is busy, it's just me and T once again, my boy.
It's good.
How you feeling from that wine, bro?
All right, I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling it.
All right, so basically this is how to make it at home. I did a little twist on it to make it my own, but seriously, you can't really change it. It's a classic, so if you don't like the flavor of it, that's totally cool, because I'm not the biggest fan. That's why I made these sauces for us to dip in. So we're just trying to grab one of these, and we're just gonna try to judge it on just like crispiness and texture and all that, you know, because the flavor is what it is.
Okay.
All right, so on 3, 1, 2, 3. As you can see, everything has been destroyed. And I just want to let you know before you get too far into the video that I'm very hesitant on the recipe itself, but it just turns out that I don't like Nashville hot chicken. I made it for Rob and T, and they absolutely lost their shit. They literally said stuff like this.
A1 in my book.
Best chicken tenders I've ever had. No, don't hate on that recipe, bro. I'm gonna make those at home.
They're literally, it's swimming pool of Nashville hot. What the? So enjoy. 1, 2, 3.
It's good. I mean, crispiness is there.
I'm not a fan, to be honest. It just tastes like just hot and salty, in my opinion. I'm just not a Nashville hot kind of person, but that's why we made our hot honey Cholula sauce and our hot honey mustard. So listen, this is a crispiness you are not getting from KFC, guys.
Yeah. Super crispy. I mean,
what you think?
It's really not bad. I mean, man, what are you talking about, man? It's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie.
You like it?
I think it's kind of good, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. Good, bro.
That is good though.
That's what I'm saying.
So you like it,
right? It's good, right?
Get some fries on the side. You're good, bro.
For real? You like the
I
sauce?
swear, bro. It's good.
I'm a weirdo. I'm a weird bitch. What can I say?
What you saying? Like, that's good, Farnum. You tripping?
The Nashville sauce that I made is good. You like that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Need more.
I'm weird. I'm weird. I don't like it.
Don't use all that. I need that.
Why don't you like it? Like, what do you like? What do you like about it?
I don't like the flavor of it. I don't know. And I just thought it was not good, but apparently it's good if you like Nashville hot. So
Hey,
Hold on, let me get that.
I'm not doing this for the camera.
Me neither.
This is actually very good. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, bro, this
all
is
right,
not
so
that good.
listen, if you're at home and you like Nashville hot, this is the sauce for you, the chicken for you, the breading, the marinade. This is it. This is where it's at. They love it. I guess I'm just not a fan of the flavor itself, no matter where you get it. All right, so star scale, my boy. What do you think?
For a chicken tender, like 4.5 out of 5. This is a good, bro. This all the seasonings and like the coatings and the sauces all mixed.
The chicken itself, crispiness, the flavor, even with no sauce on it, the tenderness of the tenderloin. Go ahead, bro. That was on the floor, low-key.
Oh, hell no.
As far as the chicken tender goes, it's a 5-star chicken tender. I mean, what else can you do? It's super crispy, it's tender, it's full of flavor. Like, what else could you ask for from a chicken tender? We just took the most popular fast food item in America at the moment that is sold out all around Tampa and made that really, really good. Because I had it from KFC and it was soggy and wet and not crispy and not flavorful. We just did that. We sauced up, and you can do this super easy at home. And also, if you're listening to my serious tone, it's because I'm giving away $100 cash, and all you have to do in the comment section is type
Tenders.
tender. All you gotta do is type tender in the comment section or put a chicken emoji. I know what it means. KFC, hot Nashville, chicken tenders. We did it at home. We did it way more fire than they did it. And it was actually really, really easy. I mean, apparently the sauce is great. I just don't like it. The hot honey Cholula and the honey mustard complemented it incredibly. If you guys enjoyed this, scroll down, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, drop tender in the comment section for $100. I'm sure he's behind me being a nut.
Tenders.
Oh, he's back there. Yeah, he's back there doing his thing. And hey, I appreciate you guys for watching. My name is Farnum. This is another episode of More Seasoning. We'll be back next week. What can I say? We did it, and we did it right. Love y'all. Hey, oh, we balling. Oh, we crawling. Whoa, we stalling. Whoa, put your paws up. Put your paws up. Yeah, we raw, bro. Yeah, we raw, bro. We gonna dance and slide and slide and slide. Do the Sachi slide. Do the Sachi slide. I got a little, Rob. Rob, you gotta come try this, bro.